Hi everyone, good to be here. I'm Arcadi Lapiro, CEO and co-founder of Agora. We're a New York-based company. 20 years ago, I used to be a new kid on the block in the banking and fintech industry. I built one of the largest online banks in Europe, of a $20 billion custody within 8 years. Today, there are new kids on the block, and I'm sure you heard about them. It's called Challenger Bank. Have you heard about them? Varo, Stash, Money, and 26 Revolut? Yes, no? So they're cool. They have a great user experience, but they have, more important, new fintech products. So what's happening with the big banks? Chase, Wells Fargo, Citi, BB&T, SunTrust, they're moving. They have billions of dollars to spend. Not cool part. What about the 8,000 banks in the US? Regional, credit union, community bank. Now a nasty word, I'm sorry for some of them were here, core banking. They turn to their legacy core provider. What do you think can happen? Can they keep up the pace? They turn to other core banking. But a core conversion, it's like a divorce. It's terrible. We are coming with a third solution, Agora, a digital hub over the core. Agora, a fully customizable solution, a Lego box, over the core, built less than 3 years ago. We are part of Mastercard StartPath program and also from the ICBA Fintech Accelerator powered by the Venture Center. I saw Brian from the Venture Center, Kevin from the ICBA, and Sabrina from Mastercard. They're here. Thank you for everything you brought. So you have to see us as a Lego box, and I'm going to show you what we built for one of our clients. So it's a real bank account. You'll see how fast it is. I'm going to go through the different sheets. It's going to be very fast, and then I'll explain how slick it is. Now, the activity. So this was built for now the bank, for a financial institution which wanted to be like a bank for its client by being the pool of payment. So all the bank transactions, they ask us to put one place where any client can put all his debit cards. I will use Google Pay to pre-fill to make it faster. That's it. On this account, a card was plugged in. And now he can use it to pay, to send money to someone. Putting it fast. Send, reason movie. Choose the mean of payment. It can be the balance of a new debit card. Next, it's not plugged to the wire platform, but you will see everything went through. So this is one function. Other function that we did for this client was the card control. I'm not talking about just a credit card block and block that you may have seen. These are the most advanced feature. Any debit card in our system, we can block in real time with a withdrawal. We can change the thresholds, monthly or per withdrawal, everything in real time. Or we can change the code. Other thing, this provider wanted to allow him to do cross-selling. He had the client, he had the debit card, he had a balance, he wanted to cross-sell. Like it can be CD, saving, credit card, mortgage, insurance. So this kind of a sample of insurance. We plug it, subscribe, using the balance, showing the general agreement, the terms, accept, subscribe, and that's it. The insurance product was subscribed. So this is one sample of what we can do. What you saw is just 10% of our platform. So we have three offerings. One is we have an API catalog. The bank, credit union, community bank, choose the function they want. It can be onboarding, saving, budgeting, virtual wallet, physical plastic card, peer-to-peer, and much more. We plug it. Option 2, they want what I showed you, for example. It's a bundled product. We bundled few API function. In this one, it was peer-to-peer, onboarding, budgeting, and saving. Easy. So we, for example, and that we announced it at the ICBA Nashville Convention, we have created a complete children-parent application. Any bank can deploy within 3 months, totally white label, a complete children bank application. Very important, with zero core integration. And we're going to announce in the coming weeks 2 additional products, one for freelancer and other one for elderly people. So you have to see us really like the way for credit union, community bank, and regional bank to ramp up without changing their core provider. If you have any question, if you're interested by finding a solution over your core, we're here. If you have any question about a roadmap about challenger bank or new bank, we can help you. Please vote for us, best in class or not. We're here to answer any of your questions at the back. Thank you.